Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the distance calculator. With the distance calculator, you can calculate straight line distance between point A and B. This can be as small or as large as you want. Or you can do multiple point distance. This would be like a long line, perhaps. Or you can find square footage or square miles, in the case of what I'm about to do, of your property or an area or maybe a property you're considering. To remove them, all you have to do is click the X. And that's how you use the distance calculator. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.